big issue, as you know, Congressman, Commissioner, Chair pala, sorry, is the campaign donations at this point. Last we spoke to you, you said you were investigating up to, was it 20 candidates that had accepted donations from contractors in the 2022 elections. Ano na pa yung latest doon? What are your latest findings?
If my memory serves me right, originally 20 yung mga contractors, but now it reached 55 na po. We have written 3 weeks ago the Department of Public Works and Highways for confirmation as to whether the 55 contractors that we have gathered the names of which from the SOSE of candidates sa 2022, from president down to the governor and vice governors, are indeed public works contractors. Kasi po may nakalagay po sila doon na construction corporation, etc. So from 20 naging 52 and down 55 po ngayon. We would like to confirm that indeed tama naman po yung PCIJ as regards the name as mentioned doon when it comes to the candidates mentioned. However, meron lang po kaming konting discrepancies doon sa pangalan because the name of, for example, the name of a contractor does not tally with the name as appearing in the SOSE in our possession. For example po, the name is supposedly in the SOSE is AMI, but in the yung pinatawag sa Senado ay ED. So we will have to confirm to the DPWH sino ba talaga yung contractor doon. Yun naman pong isa, for example, for candidate yung mas mataas sa senators ay sa halip na construction company, realty firm po siya. So alam po natin yung realty, baka engaged po sa lease, baka engaged sa construction ng subdivision, condominium, and baka po hindi engaged sa public works. So therefore, we still need the confirmation likewise from the DPWH. All other names, again, kasama rin po yung sa listahan namin, doon po sa isang kandidato na naging senador, nag-issue na po ang COBELEC at nag-appear na po yung lawyer po nung mismong contractor, nag-submit ng affidavit and mga documents niya in relation to his answer to the issue as to whether indeed that he particularly gave donation or contribution to that particular candidate. This week po, we are going to issue naman the necessary notice to the senator simply because meron naman pong admission and there is no need for us to be able to confirm to the DPWH kung talagang public works contractor yung nire-representa nung naturang tao but not the company.
Gano'ng katagal to, Comelec Chair? Halimbawa, yung kaso ni former Senate President Chis Escudero, yung owner, yung contractor ay nag-testify under oath sa Congress. So very clear na yung kanyang sinabi. Nagbigay siya ng 30 million doon sa candidacy ni Senator Chis Escudero. So hindi ganun kahirap na yung ebidensya dahil sinabi na niya under oath eh. So yung mga ganitong klase ay gaano katagal yan? Dahil siyempre hinaantay ng tao eh.
Yeah.
At ito ay mag-reflect din sa gobyerno kung gaano katagal o gaano kabilis yung ganitong klaseng mga kaso.
And actually even former Senate President Escudero has admitted the 30 million peso donation.
Yes po. In fact, as I've mentioned po, yung 55 namin na mga listahan ng mga contractors, kasama naman po yung contractor na yon, si Mr. Lubiano. However, 54 na lang yon dahil hindi naman po namin kakailanganin panghintayin yung mismong confirmation from the DPWH. Again, as you have mentioned, may admission naman po. But this week, we are requiring the senator to submit naman his own answer, and afterwards, the particular instance or case or incident is deemed submitted for resolution of the body in charge of that particular case, yung pong Political Finance and Affairs Department, and for this body to make the recommendation to our Law Department and eventually to the Commission and Bank. So hopefully po, if matatapos na yung proseso kaagad ng pag-file ng answer, because we have to afford the good senator an opportunity to be heard, then we will be able to submit immediately for resolution yung naturang case po.
Sabi nyo kanina, 55 contractors donated in the 2022 elections. Is that correct?
That's correct po.
To how many candidates?
Sa 55 na yun po, sa 55 na yun, merong candidate for president, candidate for vice president. I think 5 or 6 candidates for senators, and then 4 or 5 candidates for congressmen, and then may tatlo na party list, and then may 2 governors and 2 vice governors.
Pero pag sinabing contractors, Chairman, yan ba yung sinasabi ni Reg kanina na broader definition o yung narrower definition?
Mukhang DPWH lang to, right, Chair?
Sir Ronald, yung po yung isang bagay na kailangan po namin ma-confirm sa DPWH because po, it is really so unfair. Tingnan niyo po, meron po kasi kaming sinama doon, glass and aluminum supplier. Glass and aluminum corporation. So meaning to say, from the point of view of everybody, na pag tinignan mo, hindi naman siya contractor, public works contractor, pero may posibilidad na makanangongontrata rin. Pero yung po nakalagay. Pero sinama na rin po namin sa 55, yung pong glass and aluminum. And such other perhaps na pwedeng ma-relate sa construction. Kahit na hindi directly na sinabi na construction company siya.